IntelliSkin Next Gen is a ruggedized case for your device that integrates an internal charging connector on the inside that then converts out to these docking contacts on the outside that will engage with any GDS desktop or vehicle docking station. The Next Gen series has a couple new features. We have this hard composite internal material with the rubberized housing on the outside for certified drop protection standards. And the Next Gen series also has this external USB Type-C port for an additional charging option. This Next Gen model is compatible with the iPad Air 4th Gen, as well as the iPad Pro 11-inch 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Gen series. To install, you simply insert the tablet into the IntelliSkin downward, so you connect the USB Type-C connector on the bottom, and then you simply wrap the corners around the device. Now, as you can see with the iPad installed in the IntelliSkin, you have full access to the camera on the back, and there's also an opening on the side that lets you install the Apple Pencil, so you can have this secured and connected to the iPad while in the IntelliSkin. Now, there are two different versions of the IntelliSkin Next Gen for this iPad series, one with and without this LED light option that's built into the back. With this button on the front, all you have to do is press and hold for a couple seconds and this light comes right on. So you have a nice and efficient flashlight option that's built right into the IntelliSkin if you're operating in any dark environments. The IntelliSkin has 4 connector points on each corner, as well as an opening on the back that allows you to connect the full line of GDS Ergo accessories, such as the GDS handstand, as well as shoulder strap accessory. Now, these iPads do require power delivery for proper charging to the device, which means this IntelliSkin will work with any GDS desktop or vehicle docking station that offers power delivery, such as the single or 6-port desktop docking option, or also there's the whole line of the GDS Tough Dock and Cool Dock system here, where you simply insert the IntelliSkin into the dock. You have locking and non-locking with or without fan, and you can even connect peripheral options such as a keyboard or other accessories simultaneously immediately when you connect your dock. So with a full line of ergonomic accessories and desktop and vehicle docking options, you can build a customized ecosystem to get the most out of your IntelliSkin.